and English language professional. In our evening series today on 21st May 2025, I will be speaking with law student Pavan. So hello, good evening Pavan.
Yeah, very good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good, good. Was there some rain today?
Yeah, ma'am. It was the weather almost changed.
I
yeah.
could see the clouds,
Yes,
it's the daylight had gone. In
Yes,
the
ma'am.
afternoon also I thought it looked a little dark.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it didn't get wet in the rain.
Yes, ma'am. Maybe we coming 2 days. It may be full rain.
Today it did not rain much.
Little.
Little bit, okay.
Little bit.
But when I looked out of the balcony, I thought it's going to really rain
But
heavily.
in the Hyderabad, if we little rain only, it look like a big one.
It looks like that.
Yes, ma'am.
That's true. But I'm sure people are looking forward to the rain.
Yes, ma'am. People are eagerly waiting.
Some respite from the heat.
Yes, ma'am.
So now as a lawyer, when your people are budding lawyers now, first year students, and soon you will have to take up cases with clients coming to you, talking to you.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today I thought I would try out some kind of a role play. Let's assume that I am a client
Yes, ma'am.
and I've come to the lawyer for the first time. And my situation is that I was driving a car and I was hit from behind by another car.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now my car needs repair and even I was hurt a little bit.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I find the insurance people, my car is insured, but the insurance people are not paying me for the amount of damages that have been caused, the amount of spent for the repair.
Okay, ma'am.
So I would like you to take up my case against the insurance people.
Yes.
All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So what information do you need? What do you think I
Okay,
should?
ma'am. First, we need to ask about the vehicle. What type of vehicle it is? It is a car. Which company?
No,
Okay.
it's mine. Mine
yes.
is a car only.
Yes, ma'am.
And I was hit from behind by another car, of course. That was also a car. It was an SUV.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, when it was happened? What is the time?
All right. It happened about 2 weeks ago,
2 weeks ago.
and it was around 11 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
It happened at the Hyderabad Begumpet Road,
Okay.
actually.
Where are you going at the time?
I was going towards Secunderabad, actually. So that was it. I was on the main road.
Okay. Ma'am. Is there anybody with you at the time, ma'am? With your
No, at that time there was nobody. I was driving.
anybody
alone.
injured at the other party?
They were not injured, I think, but I had because I fell because of the impact when the other vehicle hit me.
Okay, ma'am.
There was impact was so strong that I went and hit the dashboard.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, did you file any complaint in the police station?
I didn't file yet, but I had to go to the hospital and get some treatment done because my knees were also hurt.
Okay.
And I got a little cut on my forehead as well.
Okay. Okay. Currently, where it is the vehicle, ma'am? Where it vehicle is?
Now I took it to the garage, of course. So because the back was also crushed a little bit,
Okay, ma'am.
and the front portion also hit something in the front. There's another car, so there was a little damage in the front, but mostly at the back.
Okay, ma'am. Did you inform the insurance?
Yes, yes. I am insured with Bajaj, my vehicle. I spoke with them and they came and they inspected. But they feel that now I have already spent 20,000 for the repairs of my car.
Okay, ma'am.
But they say that it is a minor thing and you will have to, we will only give you 10,000. So I think why should I foot the bill when I have my vehicle is insured?
Okay. Ma'am, did you have the policy bond paper?
I have it with me.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. First, we need to go through with the conditions objects which is mentioned in the policy bond paper. So it is clearly mentioned that what type of damages should be covered in the accident to insure. So first we need to go through with it, and where is the location, ma'am, exactly? So we can find out the territorial jurisdiction. So we can file a suit at the nearby court, which comes under the.
It happened on the Begumpet Road. It's near Hyderabad Public School actually. There's a traffic signal there.
Okay, ma'am.
So I was waiting there, and at that point of time, I think another vehicle came in.
So we can file case in the Hyderabad, Secunderabad Civil Court.
Okay. Now, what kind of so what should be my complaint against
Yeah, it
insurance people?
comes under Insurance Act, ma'am. So first we need to find out the exact jurisdiction, and we need to file a complaint at the near police station, which happened at the time.
Okay.
So we need to get a FIR copy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I should go to the. I
Yes,
should
ma'am.
also
we
go to
should
the
need to go
FIR.
to file a complaint.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
It should need to be registered.
So the complaint needs to be against the person, the vehicle which hit me
Yes,
from
yes, ma'am.
behind. Which
Yes,
all
ma'am.
right. I have the number. Yes, I have the number. I have everything.
Then only it's
Now
attempted.
I was talking to those people also, the owner of the SUV,
Yes, ma'am.
whoever was driving. So that person says that you stopped suddenly.
Okay.
I didn't stop suddenly. It was at a traffic signal.
Yes, ma'am.
And so that's not my fault.
It's not
You
our
should
fault.
have come and,
Yes.
you cannot hit me at a traffic signal or any other place.
Yes.
Even if I
He
stop on
needs
the
to
road.
follow the rules.
Yes.
Yeah, he needs to observe the before
yes.
coming things.
So, and so that is, maybe that person was, I don't know if he's a learning person, learner, a driver with a learning license or what, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But what I am sure about is that I did hurt myself. My knees were hurt, so I had to go to the doctor and some treatment I had to get done. I also received a cut on my forehead. And so I spent some amount for the medical
Yeah, ma'am. Here there are
costs
two
also.
type of issues here. One is the damage of vehicle. So we are
Yes.
claiming for the insurance amount from the insurance company for the damage of vehicle. Another one is our physical health damage. So it is caused by the another person. So we are need to file the complaint to get compensation or legal remedy
Okay.
to the from the police station, which is goes to the obviously it will goes to the court. Yeah, we need to file two type of cases.
Two types
But
of cases.
insurance cases should be filed
But
by
yes,
us.
I am particularly angry with the my insurance people
Yeah.
because they should have paid the whole amount.
Yes, ma'am.
So if they can't,
Yeah, we paid
if
premium.
I paid 20,000 for damages,
Yes, ma'am.
they can't tell me that I'll give you only 10,000 or
Yeah.
12,000.
It's not correct, ma'am. Actually.
So what kind of safety do I have? Next time I'll be scared to even go out on the road
Yeah, ma'am.
to drive.
Yeah.
So that is, and for no fault of mine, I was just stopped somewhere on the road, that's all. So that was the issue.
Yeah, ma'am, there are many Supreme Court or High Court judgments are there. Whenever the insurance companies are rejecting the claims, actually if the premium paid by consumers or the persons, they need to explain the full-fledged conditions.
Yes.
Which type of conditions will applicable without simply blindly taking the issuing bond or taking the signature of the person. It's not correct. So we will go for the court. We definitely will get remedy.
Yes.
There are most favorable judgments are.
So what documents do I need to produce
Yeah,
for
ma'am.
that?
The first we need to file a FIR copy
Okay.
or the complaint letter, which is we submitted at the police station. Again, then after we need to submit our policy bond paper
Okay.
to sue the insurance company.
Insurance company.
Yeah, then it's recognition of the insurance company.
Okay.
Yeah. So our address proof. Yeah, which these are our
This should be enough.
Yes, ma'am. The damages, quotation of the damages. Yeah, ma'am.
That's all.
Yeah, that's
Nothing
it.
else
That's
needed.
it.
So at the moment, I think I will leave that other vehicle owner and concentrate on the insurance people
Okay.
because I have two issues.
Yes, ma'am. There are
One
two.
is with the vehicle owner who
Yes,
hit
ma'am.
my car, and at the same time, I have basically an issue with the insurance
Insurance
people.
company.
So I think I'll take it up with the insurance people and leave the vehicle owners for the time being?
Ma'am, actually we need to file a complaint before the police station. If we leave it is simply, they don't know, they don't understand how to, they don't learn from this mistake. If we didn't do anything, they can't learn.
They won't learn. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
That's
They
true.
will, it is, they take it as a lighter manner. So it will harmful to any other person in the future, maybe in a more risky way. So we don't need to give a chance to him. He needs to be realized this
Yes.
at this time.
And I think anybody who is on the road driving any vehicle, big, small, they should have that responsibility.
Yes, ma'am. It's
That
everybody
they are
individual
out there,
responsibility.
everybody has to be safe. I have a duty to myself to be safe, and at the same time, I cannot endanger somebody else's,
Yes, ma'am.
any other,
Yes, ma'am.
commuter's life, or any harm should come to such a person.
Yeah,
If they are not responsible, they should not go out on the roads
Yes,
and
ma'am.
drive vehicles. They can maybe sit pillion or sit and let somebody else drive.
Yes.
I know. Okay, thank you very much. So that was a very good thing. And if you take up the case, do you think I'll have to sign some
Yeah,
documents
ma'am.
with you?
Yeah, ma'am. We need to file a wakalat. It is a legal document that contains you are giving the full responsibility of your issue, your facts to represent me.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. In criminal case, it is called as a memo of appearance.
Okay.
In civil cases, it's called as a wakalatnama.
Wakalat. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
There's no English word for it?
Wakalatnama is an English word. Maybe exactly
It's
I don't know
actually an
where it is
Urdu.
comes from. It's a Urdu word.
It's an
maybe.
Urdu word,
Yeah.
but I'm surprised there's no
Yes,
English
yes, yes.
substitution for it.
Yeah, there are many Urdu words are common
Yes.
in, like as a
Yeah, yeah.
regular words in Telangana.
Yeah, yeah. It's not just in Telangana, all over the country.
Yes,
I think Urdu was there quite a lot. People do speak.
Most of the Telugu words also in Urdu, ma'am.
Mm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Actually, we don't know it is a Urdu word.
So anyhow, that was good. I think if a client comes to you, I think you will be able to address all the issues properly,
Yes, ma'am.
which you did today with
Yes,
me.
ma'am. Judge asked ours. We need to represent as a me,
Yes.
behalf of our party. So we need to know the all facts which happened at the time. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, a lawyer has to ask
Yes.
all the details,
Yes, ma'am.
because otherwise, how will he or she represent the
If any
client?
new thing asked by judge, he can't, I don't able to answer at the time
You
if
should
I
be
don't
able
know
to.
the
Yeah.
all facts.
You should be able to answer.
Yes.
Okay, we'll now look at some a picture, and then you can frame some sentences based on the picture.
Yeah.
This picture is I hope people can see it. There are, all right. Just look at the picture and tell me what you can see.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, here in the picture, it's showing as there was a park. People
There
are
is a park.
there is a park. People are playing different games. Some people are playing cricket. Some people are dancing. One girl is skipping. One boy playing with a ball.
Is playing with the
One
ball.
boy is playing with a ball. Two people are running in the ground.
So are they grown-ups or are they children?
They are children, ma'am.
Children.
They are children.
Roughly what age are they?
Yeah, ma'am. It's under the 10 years.
Under 10 years.
Under 10 years only.
What else do you see in the park? In the picture?
Yeah, ma'am. There is a big tree, and there is a one building also there.
There is a building there.
There is a building there.
The sky,
There is sky.
the blue sky.
Children are very happily playing.
I think all children are happy to play in parks.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else?
Yeah, that's.
Oh, what are they playing? You didn't tell me.
Yeah,
What
no.
are those children playing? One is playing with the ball, another other
People are some people are playing cricket.
cricket also.
Yes, ma'am.
So a few children are playing cricket.
Yeah, ma'am. One boy is doing batting,
Batting, bowling.
bowling.
Girls are One girl is skipping.
One girl is skipping. Yeah. Another girl is watching the entire game.
She's watching everyone.
She is watching everyone.
And what is that girl sitting on the floor? What's she doing? Sitting on the ground?
She is building a house with the sand.
Sand, yes. Yeah. Have you ever built a...
Yes,
you know, we used to build castles. We used to call them castles with sand. Sand castles. Yes. Particularly when the people go to a beach side. There's a lot of sand there, so they make sand castles. Yes, so she is doing something like that. She has made a small hut with an entrance.
We used to do at the construction homes. There is sand at the time. So we used to play.
So that's a very jolly scene of lot of children playing in a playground. Okay, there's another picture at the back. So look at this picture and tell me, what do you see?
Here it was a big family.
It was or is?
It is a big family.
Or I can see a big family.
It's a big family. Grandfather sitting on the chair. He is playing with his grandson. Grandmother making chapatis.
Okay.
The another son of the grandfather reading a newspaper.
A son. Maybe the son.
Maybe the son.
So,
we don't know.
So we have.
I can assume like that.
Yeah. Maybe the son who is reading a newspaper. What else?
Yeah. One baby was crying. One baby is crying.
It's all present.
So one lady bringing milk to the boy.
To the baby.
To the baby.
For the baby.
For the baby. Another boy standing at in front of the grandfather.
So where is the helping verb? Is standing.
Yeah.
Always. Whenever there is a continuous form, is or was or whatever will come.
Mother applying oil to the one child.
So there are a lot of people in the picture.
Yes, ma'am.
How many people can you count?
11, ma'am.
11 members.
11 people.
11 people in one family, perhaps.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it something like a joint family?
Joint family, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Very good.
Grandfather, grandmother.
Everybody out in the open and sitting in
open
doing
place.
Something.
In front of the house. There was a puppy dog also.
Puppy.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see a puppy. And what about, are there any other children in the picture?
Yeah, ma'am. There are 5 children.
5 children?
5 children.
What are they all doing?
Yeah, ma'am. One boy is standing at the chair.
Beside the chair.
Beside the chair. One girl.
What is he doing? He's standing beside the chair?
He's just smiling, ma'am.
Okay.
He's just smiling. He is looking at the puppy actually. The another girl also looking at the puppy. One child girl is sitting on the floor. Her mother applying oil to her hair.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Another girl maybe preparing for the lunch. She washing the rice or something, ma'am.
Okay.
It looking like that. Yeah, the child who is the younger of all the childs, he is crying.
It's a baby.
Yeah, ma'am. The baby was.
So there's a baby and it's crying, is it?
Yes, ma'am. The baby is crying.
What else do you see in the picture?
Yeah, ma'am. The grandmother cutting vegetables.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Do you see a house? Are they inside the house or outside?
Outside the house, ma'am. In front of the house.
What place is that? I mean, are they on the roadside or where?
No, inside the prahari, compound wall.
Inside the compound.
Inside the compound.
So perhaps it's a garden or something.
Yes, ma'am.
And everybody is busy doing something or the other.
There is a big tree out of the compound wall. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's another busy family just doing so many different
Everyone
things.
doing something.
That's nice. Okay, just quickly look at this picture. It's got no color, but you can tell me what is there.
Yeah, there is a shed of animals, ma'am.
Generally, when you look at the picture, what do you see? Is it a city, village?
It is a village, ma'am. It is a village.
It's a village scene.
It is village. It is a
Village
farmer's family, farmer's shed or something. There is a well. There are 4 goats. There are not 4 men. There are 2 goats and 3 cows are there. 1 dog is there. 1 cat also there. There are 2 coconut trees are there.
The 2 coconut trees.
2 coconut trees.
Mm.
Yeah, it is inside the compound wall of the shed. The cow is drinking the water. There are no persons in this picture. Only animals are there. Maybe it is at the time of evening.
It's like a garden place.
Yeah, ma'am, it's not like a garden. It's a compound wall. It's a shed of the farmers' animals.
A place where people keep their animals.
Yes, ma'am. They're farming animals. Yes, ma'am.
And there's a wall and there's a gate.
Yes, ma'am. There is a gate. A gate was locked. Yeah.
Is there a hut too?
Ma'am?
Can you see a hut? Is there a small hut?
Yeah, ma'am.
Cottage?
Yes, ma'am. There is a small hut. Yeah.
Nobody? Can you see anyone inside
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
hut?
I can't see anybody here. Yeah. No people are there.
People can't be seen.
Yes, ma'am. People can't be seen here.
Only animals.
Only animals, ma'am.
And the clouds?
Yes, ma'am. Clouds. It not in the color picture. Maybe it was a green in the color.
That's it. Huh?
Yeah.
Covered everything?
Yes, ma'am.
You forgot the bird on the hen on the top of the hut.
Yes, ma'am. It's a bird.
It's a hen, I think. And here is what? It looks like a squirrel.
Squirrel. Yes, ma'am.
There's a squirrel and there is a hen.
Hen.
Or could be, it looks like a hen also. The well has got the pulley,
Yes, ma'am.
pulley system to take out the water.
Yes. In villages only we can see this type of wells.
That type of well, yes. So it's a very calm scene, very idyllic, we call it idyllic. Very calm, easygoing, no rush.
Yes, ma'am. It's cool.
Like the kind of scenes you see in cities. So this scene is so calm, so peaceful, just animals, people just relaxing. So that is the interesting bit there. All right, so there's one topic which I thought you could speak about a little bit. Read it aloud.
Talk about meditation. Ma'am, it is meditation.
Meditation.
Meditation and how useful it is in today's time. Yeah. Talk about meditation and how useful it is in today's time. Ma'am, actually meditation, what it is telling about, the personal space for the every person. We need to spend some special time for ourselves. So the meditation concept is, don't get pressurized ourselves. So we need to get some calm and peaceful time. We need to spend ourselves. So don't get too stressed. We need to get free from all those things which happen in the background and the subconscious mind. We don't need to think about anything. So just calm. So we can understand that how things are happening. So how we are reacting at that things which is happening around to us. So we can get some coolness and freshness, and we can get some peace to doing meditation. Yeah.
What does one do when meditating?
Yeah, just keep closing their eyes. Yeah, ma'am. Just they concentrate on the breathing levels. I know that is.
Yes, concentration breathing.
Yeah. Actually, I didn't do meditation, but I saw some people who do meditation. Yeah.
How much time can people meditate?
Yeah, ma'am. Some people eat 5 minutes, 10 minutes is also enough, but some people will do half an hour based on their control levels. How much time they are controlling to not to react the things.
So what else do you know about meditation? I've heard quite a lot about meditation. I'm trying to do it also sometimes.
Okay.
But what else? How is it helpful for people?
Yeah, ma'am. It depends upon the individual. Most of the people nowadays saying that meditation is helpful for us, so they are getting some calmness. So to avoid the anger things, yeah, not to react immediately, not to get hypertensions. Yeah.
And so, Pawan, do you think people in all over the world, in all countries, practice meditation?
No, ma'am.
Don't. So, which countries basically try and do meditation?
India is currently most of the people are in India.
Yes, India people know about meditation.
Yes,
and but what about other countries?
I think America also practicing the meditation.
Lot of countries.
Japan, China.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. They are also practicing the meditation.
They also call it TM, that is transcendental meditation.
Yeah.
So they have given it that term.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically they all practice, not all, but then people who are aware,
Yes,
I think they practice meditation. They start small, you can start with 2 minutes or maybe, and then people gradually increase the timing.
Yeah, ma'am. The meditation term is enlightened by Buddhism. The Buddha told that the enlightenment for the human purpose with the meditation.
And of course, we have heard about people meditating even in our old mythologies. You know, everybody, lot of kings meditated, lot of even demons meditated, and then they got the blessings from the gods. So we have heard about so much meditation. Yes, we have heard so much. But then nowadays, in present society, because people are so busy and they have so much stress.
Yes, ma'am.
So for them, it's all the more useful, even if they could start with, let's say, 2 minutes starting.
Yes.
Then they could increase it maybe to 5 minutes. And a lot of people, I've heard my friends say also that the memory power also increases when they meditate. And of course, they feel calmer and they feel so much better. So I think it's very much there in our culture. So definitely we should know about it, because a lot of youngsters and a lot of people don't know much about it. They should try and find out. Otherwise, people sometimes get very worried and stressed out. They get anxious. Students are worried about their exams, and people who are working are worried about their deadlines. There's so much stress. Housewives, people who are ladies who are in the house, they also have so much work to do. So they get stressed out also. So I think meditation maybe is good for everyone. Even to practice it for 5-10 minutes a day is also good. All right. Thank you. You spoke about meditation. We'll take up meditation in one of the other classes also, because I feel it's very important for all people nowadays. All right, so we will look at some words. As I said, I find it very. You've been doing words from newspapers. Do you find it helpful, Pawan?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. It is increasing the level.
Vocabulary, and most of the time we don't have to. As I said, from the context we can make out the meaning.
Yes, ma'am.
So once we understand the meaning, we can use it in our own conversation.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, look at the words which I have circled.
Yes, the full line is security for Amarnath Yatra to be intensified. The circle word is intensified.
Intensified.
Yeah, madam. Here the meaning of the intensified means the exactly more intense.
So, explain in the context of the heading. What is it? What is security for Amarnath?
Security for Amarnath Yatra. Ma'am, army personnel are giving security for the people who are going to the Amarnath Yatra.
So, what is Amarnath?
Ma'am, it is at the Kashmir something in the north area. Yeah, ma'am. There is
it's a religious place.
Yeah, ma'am, religious place. Most of the people will go to visit that place. Yeah, there are some terrorist attacks also happening. So the military people are more concentrating at that areas. They
Amarnath, for your information, I don't know if you are aware, Amarnath is only open for about 1 to 2 months
Yes,
in
ma'am.
summer,
yes, ma'am.
because it's basically it's closed. During winter, it's completely
Yes,
closed.
ma'am.
So it's only open. So a
Yes.
lot of pilgrims go there.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the light of whatever has happened now, in the tension between two countries, there is more security for Amarnath Yatra people. That is the pilgrims.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be intensified, means it's going to be more and more
More effective.
and there will be more security. All right, next.
Modi speaks to merge both vow to fight terror together.
It's vow.
Wow.
Vow to fight terror together. What does it mean? Modi, we all know. Whom did he speak to?
Yeah, ma'am. Merge both.
So it's merge.
Both vow
Merge.
to.
So he's some head of state. I'm not sure which country. What does it say there?
Yeah, ma'am. What is it?
Which country did he go to? Merz is some head of state, I think. To the new German Chancellor, Friedrich Merz.
Yeah.
So he's the new German Chancellor,
Chancellor.
Friedrich Merz, who was just elected, I think, recently. So Modi spoke to him, and what did they decide together?
Yeah, we can togetherly
We will fight
fight to the terrorist
terrorism,
terror attacks.
terror attacks.
Yeah.
Yes. The whole, it's not just our country, all the
Yes.
countries in the
Yeah.
world, lot of countries in the world are suffering from terrorist
terrorist
activities.
attacks.
So these two heads of state have decided vow. Vow means if they take a pledge
Pledge.
that we will fight
Together.
terror.
With the joint
We will,
action.
we will take joint action or we'll fight terror.
Yes, ma'am.
Do everything to fight terror so that people are safe. Any other word?
Yes, ma'am.
So vow means to take a pledge, to promise and
Promise each other,
Promise each
promising to
other.
the outer world.
yes. Okay, so this is the sports page. Now look at the sports page.
Digvesh in bad books suspended.
So who is Digvesh now?
Maybe he is one of the cricketer of India. Maybe he is one cricketer from the IPL teams.
IPL
yeah,
teams,
currently
yes.
IPL is going.
Since IPL is going.
Right. Yeah, he is from Lucknow team actually.
Okay. So what does it mean? Digvesh in bad books suspended.
Lucknow Super Kings.
Being in bad books is not just one word, it's a phrase.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the meaning of being in bad books? Somebody is in, if
He is
people
doing something wrong.
he's done something wrong,
Yeah.
and the cricket management body,
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
there, BCCI or whatever it is,
Yes, ma'am.
they have a complaint because maybe he behaved badly or did
ma'am.
something. So
Yeah.
he is in the bad books.
Yes, ma'am. He is
Now
not in a correct
yes.
way. Yeah.
So when somebody does things well, he is in good books.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's a simple thing. He is in bad books and he has been
That's why he
suspended
ma'am.
for something that he did.
Yes, ma'am.
It could have been bad behavior, it could have been something. Sometimes people argue with the umpire.
Yes,
They are
ma'am.
not supposed to argue with the umpire. So if you read the entire
Yes, ma'am.
article, you will know what happened.
Yes.
But now we know that he was suspended because he was in bad
Bad
books.
books.
What's next?
Yeah, ma'am. Royal thrashing for Super Kings. Thrashing for Super Kings. Royal means I think it is a Royal Challengers team. The another Super Kings means Chennai Super Kings.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean thrashing means Royal Challengers won the match. So they entirely
So thrashing,
vanished the match.
thrashing is actually, when you hit somebody,
Yeah.
that's thrashed.
Yeah.
So thrashing can be by a parent to a child. It can be a teacher to a student. Thrashing, they are all called thrashing only. Physically
Yeah.
hitting somebody, that's thrashing. So here it's not physically hitting, but they defeated them so badly,
Yes,
so they've called it royal thrashing.
Yeah, completely.
Yes.
Yeah, from the
And
grassroots.
royal also because royal is Royal Challengers
Yes, ma'am.
of Bangalore, I think. No?
Yes, ma'am.
So the royal thrashing for Super Kings, that is the Chennai Super Kings.
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, in a way, Chennai Super Kings was always doing well.
Yes, ma'am.
So this time, maybe they're not doing so well. Other teams are doing better. So we have looked at words and phrases. We have looked at picture. You've read a picture and you formed sentences out of it. We have done a role play of a lawyer and a client. All right. And you've also spoken about meditation. So with this, we'll come to the end of our session today. And that was nice. Thank you, Pavan.
Thank you, ma'am.